Hey guys, what's up? This is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to perform a benchmarking test comparison between Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus and Xiaomi Redmi 4 or 4X smartphone. Redmi 5 Plus comes with Snapdragon 625 processor, Adreno 506 GPU, 4GB of RAM, and a 6-inch Full HD screen. Xiaomi Redmi 4 or Redmi 4X comes with Snapdragon 435 processor, Adreno 505 GPU, 4GB RAM, and a 5-inch 720p HD screen. Both devices, they're running on Android 7.1.2 OS, so this is the similarity between them. As you can see that in terms of hardware specs, Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus is better compared to Xiaomi Redmi 4 or 4X smartphone, but still let's see that how much difference we are going to get in the benchmarking test scores based on these hardware specs. So the benchmarking applications we got today here, they are Antutu Benchmarking, Geekbench 4, Basemark OS 2, Basemark X, and Quadrant Standard. We have already performed all of these tests to save your time, and we will have a look on the test scores directly. So let's just start it. So first of all, let's start with Quadrant Standard, and here we go. So Redmi 5 Plus scored 24,999, that's 25,000 we can say, and Redmi 4X scored 12,579. So you can see that Redmi 5 Plus is scoring exactly twice of Redmi 4X smartphone. So in this test, the winner is Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. Let's go back from here. Now let's have a look on Antutu Benchmarking. Redmi 4X scored 46,372 and Redmi 5 Plus scored 61,431. So in this test as well, performance of Redmi 5 Plus is better, and if you go to the individual test score page, here you can compare the result for each of these 4 tests. So as you can see that in all of these tests, 3D graphics, UX, CPU and RAM performance of Redmi 5 Plus is better, and that's why the overall score is better compared to Redmi 4X. So in this test as well, the winner is Redmi 5 Plus. Now let's have a look on Basemark OS 2. So Redmi 4X scored 944 and Redmi 5 Plus scored 1285. So as you can see that once again performance of Redmi 5 Plus is better, and if you have a look on the individual test score, you can see that the biggest difference is coming in terms of CPU, and this is what contributing the most in the overall better score of Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. But still in all of these tests, performance of Redmi 5 Plus is better and it's scoring more than the Redmi 4X. So in this test as well, winner is Redmi 5 Plus. Now let's have a look on Basemark X. It's a gaming benchmarking test and it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. So Redmi 5 Plus scored 21,454 and Redmi 4X scored 16,458. So once again, Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus is winner, and we can see that Adreno 506 is performing better in benchmarking test compared to the Adreno 505 GPU used in Redmi 4X. So let's go back, let's have a look on Geekbench 4, the last test for today. And here we go. So Redmi 5 Plus, it has scored 873 in single core and 4,352 in multi-core. And if you have a look on Xiaomi Redmi 4X, it has scored 653 in single core and 2,597 in multi-core. So once again, in both of these tests, single core and multi-core, performance of Redmi 5 Plus is better. Let's go back and let's go to the compute. So Redmi 4X scored 2,173 and Redmi 5 Plus scored 3,216. So as you can see that Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus is winner in all of these benchmarking tests compared to Xiaomi Redmi 4X, and the credit goes to the better hardware specs of Redmi 5 Plus. So if you're planning to get any of these two devices, you can now see the difference in terms of benchmarking score, and you can get the idea that Redmi 5 Plus is obviously a better device compared to Redmi 4X, but Redmi 4X is also a great device considering its price. It's obviously cheaper than the Redmi 5 Plus. So based on your requirement, you can go with any of these two devices. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks, and hands-on reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.